syrup. So for today's video, I'm gonna cook some special. This is, well, if you're gonna follow my recipe, just check the description below. So let's start it. This is my all ingredients right here. So our main ingredients is blended Scotch whiskey and maple syrup. First thing I'm gonna do, I just mix my marinade. 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of ground black pepper, mustard, 1 tablespoon of mustard, ketchup, 1/4 cup of ketchup, perrins, worcestershire sauce, one teaspoon, maple syrup, around 1/2 cup of maple syrup, whiskey, one-fourth cup of whiskey. I'm going to mix all together. So this is our mixture for our ribs marinade. So after mixture is done, so now I'm going to start to marinate my pork ribs. If you have gloves, you can use gloves. So let's get started. Flip it over. Sorry, I forgot to remove this. Rub both sides. There you go. After you marinate your ribs, just put in the fridge for about probably 8 hours to 24 hours. The best, cook after if you're not in a hurry. We put our ribs here. Then cover. To wrap. Then put this one to the fridge for 8 hours or 24 hours. After 24 hours of marination, I'm going to cook. So just remove the plastic wrap, and now I'm going to cover. hot water to cook for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Cover. Now preheat your oven. So it's done, guys. I'll check my ribs. Ooh. There you go. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Juicy, tender, my pork back ribs with Scotch Blended Whisky and maple syrup. Smells so good. Time to transfer to plate. Ah. Sorry to be.